Hey, Bawelo, Bawelo, yeah, Bawelo. Can't one know, can't one know, can't one know, can't one know.
Mijabo, 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 Mijabo.
Kube legend, Kube igiri, Kube lozun. Kube legend, Kube igiri, Kube lozun. Bawelo. Kube legend, Kube igiri, Kube lozun. Kube legend, Kube igiri, Kube lozun.
Chepa village, our home, our place. Mighty people you cannot face. The adventures have been amazing. Chepa village, our home, our place. Mighty people you cannot face. The adventures have been amazing. Mighty Nupe tribe, all the way from Chepa. Service for the benefit of humanity. Came from Chepa, bringing teaching, engineering, science.
Hello everyone, join me on my visit to the blacksmith shop called Twata in Nupe at Doko town in Niger State. First of all, we had to take permission from the owner of the blacksmith shop so we could gain access to the shop. I ended up praying for us. That was heavenly.
Hello everyone, welcome to the People Places and Things. Here is my visit to the blacksmith where hoes, sickles and axes are being made. As you can see, the process is taking place.
So guys, this is me doing my best to keep the fire burning so we could heat up the irons. Then the blades were being heated up and sharpened so it could fit into the handles of the axes. So I was also taught how to make holes in the handles so the blades can pass through easily using long nails. Tiny holes were being made in the handles of the sickle so the blades could fit in. So when we were done, my friend and I proceeded to thank the blacksmith shop owner, prostrating and saying thank you to him. And also took a few pictures with some of the elders. Then I proceeded to the fish market, which is called Ebegi in Doko land. So I got some fish for myself to enjoy the rest of my day. Thank you.
Chepa village, our home, our place. Mighty people you cannot face. The adventures have been amazing. Chepa village, our home, our place. Mighty people you cannot face. The adventures have been amazing. Mighty Nupe tribe, all the way from Chepa. Service for the benefit of humanity. Came from Chepa, bringing teaching, engineering, science, philosophy, health, the arts, leadership to the whole world. Chepa village, our home, our place. Mighty people you cannot face.